So apparently we have. You didn't hear me say that?
No.
Apparently we have to do big cotton candy for the channel.
For you
she
guys.
says. Never mind that she loves cotton candy and she's been looking forward to this.
I'm sick and I'm probably not gonna enjoy it. So.
It's just for you guys. Big cotton
all
candy.
for you.
All right, fine. Whoa.
It's so cute. All the flavors.
All the flavors.
Yes.
Which is comprised of what?
Oh, you should have saw the thing.
Oh, so you don't know.
Look, right here.
You're like, no, we should just definitely do it.
Definitely do. Once in a lifetime.
Exactly, right? Well, or maybe twice.
Come on, man. It's a gigantic rainbow cotton candy. How could you not want to do that? I mean, priorities. That's pretty amazing. Like I turned around to show you the flavors, and then I turned and she was done.
Oh, wow.
I was impressed. I was like, whoa. Sure. This song is such a cop-out by Daft Punk. Kind of makes me sad. Epic. What?
Sick.
Skills. Amazing. So excited.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Where are you gonna eat that at? Thank you. Eat in the yellow space?
Yellow space,
Oh,
yes.
thank you.
Thank you.
I was about to ask, where do we eat at? Yellow space. Is it actually good? What flavor is that? Grape? It disappeared pretty quick.
It's killing my throat, but
Worth it?
oh yeah. Look at this big old cotton candy!